Based on today's price action, let's mark the important levels and let's see what we can expect from tomorrow's trading session. And today is a bullish day and it worked out as per our plan. I'll review what we planned and what happened briefly, and after that we'll mark the important levels and we'll create our plan for tomorrow's trading session. And we planned if there is going to be any gap up, you should buy around this level or this closing price, and after retesting you should take the entry here. And we planned this is a first target and this is a second target. These two levels achieved easily, and after that it touched this point and this point. We marked this level and it achieved all these four levels, and it is almost 100 points from this 24 910 or 920. It is around 910, and to this 25,000 it is almost 100 points more. For these two targets it achieved easily. Okay, I'm going to remove all these levels and I'll mark the important levels again. Remove all drawings. Okay, this is going to be an important support in tomorrow's trading session, and this is going to be an important resistance zone. If it opens inside this range, if Nifty opens inside this range, this is going to be an important level. This level, a resistance level. If it opens inside this range, you should remember that if it opens above this range also, it is going to act as important support, not a resistance level. Let's mark a few more levels. This is going to be another important support level. This is going to be another support level. Okay, let's mark the resistance levels. We can mark this as a support level, this breakout zone and retest level. There is a breakout here and a retest here. We can consider this as a support level, and let's zoom out and let's see the resistance levels. There is going to be one important resistance level here, and another important resistance level is around here, which is almost 80 points from this point. If you see, this is around 140 to 240. It is almost 100 points. Let's mark one more level. We can consider this as another important level, that is a closing price. And if the market momentum is fast, we need a few more levels. I'm going to mark this as a resistance zone. Another level is around this closing price. Okay, that's all. These are the levels that we need for tomorrow's trading session. Let's create our plan. And today is a bullish day, and let's see what we can expect in tomorrow's trading session. Based on today's closing, we can see a gap up tomorrow as well. That's what my expectation. If it opens out flat, you should look for a breakout. In the breakout, you should take the bullish positions. Okay, let's plan for a flat opening. If it opens a flat opening, and if this level is going to break, you should consider this as a first target and a second target, and you can aim this as a third target, which is almost 100 points from 25,100 to 25,200. It is 100 points, and 240, it is going to be 140 points. And even if you are getting 1:2, you should book the profit. That's a plan for flat opening and breakout. And after flat opening, if it breaks down this level, we can aim this as a first target and a second target. The current trend is bullish, so you should book the profit around this second target. If the momentum is slow, you can book the profit around this first target level. And I'm expecting a gap above this level or above this level. If it opens a gap up above this level, look for a pullback towards this level or the closing price and take the long position in the reversal. And a day's high is going to be your first target. This level should be your second target. And if the momentum is fast, you can aim this as a third target. These are the three targets I'm going to aim if there is any gap up. And if there is any gap up above this level, it is going to be extremely bullish, and you can take the trade in a breakout, and you can see the momentum in first 15 minutes or first 1 hour. And we should aim this as a first target if it opens above this level, and this as a second target. If there is going to be any pullback after a gap up opening, we should consider this level as a support. And if the pullback is deep, you should consider this as another support level. In the reversal, you should take the trade for the day's high as a first target and the next level as a second target. That is for a gap up plan. And if it opens a gap down, look for a pullback towards this level, towards the closing price, and take the position in the reversal. And day's low is going to be your first target, and the next level, whichever is a reasonable level, you should aim that. If the low is near to this level, you should aim this as a second target level. These are the plans for tomorrow's trading session. And today it worked out as per our plan, and it is a decent move to capture. And if you are able to identify these patterns, there is a breakout, and it worked out very well. And today is a directional day, and you can capture these kind of moves easily. If you are following the planning, you can capture these kinds of moves easily. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.